too many buttons over here. I need to figure it out which is the horn. Oh, okay. Oh man, that's a huge bike on me. That's literally very huge. Oh, it's torquey. A slight twist is pulling like anything. Yeah, even though the bike is heavy, when I ride when I ride it is completely weightless. It feels comfortable. The sitting positions are good. The display is very good. Looks very attractive, and visibility is very good. Then the windshield is in the lowest settings, so let's see. The exhaust note is really good. I'm not sure whether you can hear it inside the helmet, but it's really good. Just like that. That's awesome. It's literally weightless. It's easy to handle. Once we pass the traffic, rev it and see. Okay, about the heating, the fan is up here, so I can feel slight hot wind flowing through my knees and below my knees, and it does pretty good job. It is good. It is really good. Oh, the suspension is really awesome. Smooth. Oh. Holy. Sounds good. That's too many buttons over here. I need to figure it out which is the horn. Holy fuck. The torque is good. We have gear position indicator right there. Yes. Yeah, when I brake there is a nose dive, but yeah, the torque is good. Hopefully you can hear the exhaust. The torque is just like a beast. The engine is heating up, but I can feel right exactly below my knees and above my foot. And inhale, yeah. Yeah, literally flickable. Dynamic is very good. Okay. The brakes are really great. Sure foot brakes. Front and back both works good. It is tall. I have to slide it on one side to reach. Yeah, when I ride I can't feel the weight. It is good. Only when I lift it from the stand I can feel it's heavy. But once we are in move, it's pretty cool, no problem. On the handlebar it is comfortable, wide, and I don't see any vibration. And the throttle response is really good. Once we just a slight twist and then it just pulls away. Second and third is all like very torquey. And the windshield is on the lowest setting, but I think for my height it is good. The wind just flows above my helmet, so it is good. I don't feel any stress on my helmet, so it is very comfortable. Display is really good. It's big touch screen. I'm running in the urban mode. Clutch is light comparing to my street triple. It is a hard clutch, but this is very comfortable. It's a very light clutch. I can hold in a start-go traffic, no problem. And I believe the display is adjustable. I'm not sure. I have to check with them. And the one I'm riding is the manual version, so no DCT, no paddle shifts. I think this is what we want, because in other reviews I felt people are saying that the DCT in the lower speeds are a little bit jerky, but this one is absolutely good. Absolutely good. It is good. It is good. Who said the ADV doesn't have the punch? And yeah, the 1000cc started heating up. I can feel it. I think once we move on, it is good. Only in the stop-go traffic we may feel because the fan kicks in, and yeah, and then this exhaust pops. The brakes are really good. Awesome brakes. The leg posture also comfortable. So the lights are good. It looks good. It looks so mean. Yeah, there is a nose dive whenever I brake. There is a nose dive because the front suspension has a longer travel. But it doesn't affect my riding feel. It is good. It gives you the confidence, so that is good. And the tank capacity is 25 or 26 is what they said, so that's really good for long range. Like that. Suspension is really good. It's very comfortable. It's really very comfortable. Only thing I feel is that the engine heat. Obviously it's a 1100 liter class engine, so we should know that it heats up. So the potholes or anything, it doesn't affect anything. We can just ride it like a king. Yeah, that is what, like the sitting posture, it's like you are sitting in an SUV. Big front end. I can balance it even at the slow speed. It is that equally weight distributed, so it is easy to manage even at slow speed. Clutch is light. That is really good on traffic. and it doesn't have quick shifters, so it basically clutch based shift, no auto dip or auto high. The signals, they said it would be auto cancel. For some reason it is not cancelling it automatically. I don't know, we have to enable separately or not, I don't know, so I will just leave it off. So that's all for now. My test drive is complete.